Yeah. Alright, it's recording. Alright, we're stuck in traffic and we're gonna try our police siren.
We're gonna try
police.
Something that might work. James, push up my window. Sorry.
Push it.
Let's push it up.
God damn it, we gotta wait.
We gotta wait.
Gotta wait like a minute for it to go up. Ghetto ass piece of
That's
shit.
what she said.
Take a minute to get it up. Oh. Horn works.
Yeah, I fixed it when we were at the guitar shop. So
or if the siren works.
Well, we know it works. People sort of got it work.
You want to try?
People that didn't have their radios on.
Window up.
Down.
Get the window up. Alright, right there. That's good. Well, are we gonna do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's working.
No.
I told you they can't hear it. Some people can. Yeah.
Alright, that didn't work.
It worked first time.
It didn't work.
I think it's a coincidence.
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. That guy's looking at us.
I heard something vibrate.
Yeah, so did I.
Sound like a phone. Wasn't mine.
Marcus, did you bring your dildo?
Only for proper uses.
What the hell proper uses does it
I was
have?
gonna say my phone to the
Hey, turn on our neon.
somebody.
Yeah. Did someone call you?
Four.
Missed calls.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Tony.
Oh.
They're awesome, Tony.
Stupid bitch.
Call time 4:31, 4:30, 4:29, 4:28.
No, we seriously.
420. Did you say 420?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Why'd you call it 4:20?
Because it's 420, April 20th, National Potheads Day.
And the week
April
after.
20th though. That's a nice.
That guy heard it. That guy heard
Yeah,
it.
he did.
Dude, his window's wide open.
Oh, that's a nice truck there.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Traffic's moving.
It worked. Keep working the side sign.
It's working, dude. That guy was looking. That guy was looking around.
Alright, we can shut it off now.
It's only a little annoying.
It's working. I told you it worked.
That guy was like, what the hell?
Alright, turn the shit off. It's annoying.
All right.
It worked.
It worked. We're out of
It
traffic.
actually works.